Hi, Bio 11A, and welcome to week 5. So today is your exam. That's a big deal. I don't want you to worry too much about it, but this is your first time, so it's sort of an unknown, but I think you'll be fine if you've gone through the chapters and looked at the study guides. So I thought that it was too much to do the energy homework due on the same, to Sunday night. So I have extended it so that you have time to study for the exam. Other than that, the ones that I have read, I've gone through some of those, and you definitely found some excellent articles, so that was good. I think that's going well. Otherwise, you guys just get in touch with me if there's things that you need or are unsure of, but I think we're sailing along pretty well. The exam will be open then all day Monday, all day today. And yes, I hope you do great. Okay, you guys, this is it. Be well. We'll talk soon. Bye.